Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make an emoji effect in Capcut. Let's begin. Creating an emoji effect in Capcut is a fun way and creative way to add visual flair to your video. You can make emojis appear on your video as overlays, animations, or even synced with the music. Now, once you open the Capcut app on your mobile device, I want you to hover to the project that you are working. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. But if you don't have any project yet, just click the create a new project so you can begin work and start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be playing this video right here, and I wanted to create an emoji inside of it. So for you to be able to do that, I want you to click the overlay option at the bottom part corner of your timeline. And then from here, this will allow you to add images or videos on top of your main video. Of course, all you have to do is find or create emoji images. All right, for us to do that, all you have to do is go here. You can find emoji, for example, let's say, let's for D flaps, maybe this one right here. We're going to be choosing this. I'm not gonna export the button yet. Click that. So we're gonna use this emoji right here. But of course, we need to extend this length so that it will create this one right here. All right. So once the emoji has been added to the video, you can put it maybe around here. Let's try to see what we got from here. So from the emoji, we can create animations. For example, for this emoji, we're going to be sending, like, you can choose from bounce, maybe a spring or a fade in. You can choose the fade in for how long is it going to be, or maybe like a bounce effect. See that? And then we're going to make it sure that it's in full effect. Let's click on that. So try to play the video from the beginning. Let's see what we got from here. Amazing, right? And then, once you are happy with the animation or the emoji effect, you can simply revert it back to once it was before, probably here, and then return it back. And then once you're happy with the effect, click a timer effect right here. You see, from the very beginning, it will be a small emoji, and then it will revert back to its original size at the tail end of your video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.